Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to reorganize Mail View on iPhone with iOS 26. So as you can see here, we do have the category list, which we do have the primary, transactions, updates, promotions, and here we do have all mail. We can manage these all, as you can see, categories and move emails between them. So at first, to move emails between all these categories, we have to scroll with each email to the right, and here we do have 4 buttons. We have to tap more, scroll down till we see categorize center, and we can move manually the center, which is Dropbox, to all either primary or transactions or updates or promotions, but we can assign it to automatically searching for the category. Apart from that, we can switch from the, as you can see, category view to all mail view using these 3 buttons, 3 dots here, and tap list view. We can go back to our category view, and a small talk about categories. Here, if we tap these 3 dots, we have here select, and here we can select the emails and move them, flag them, or delete them. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.